How to enable or disable app auto starting on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy and quick way to enable or disable app auto or starting on Android. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. For example, if you want to enable the auto starting on Android for a particular app, then you can simply tap and hold that particular app and then select the I button, which is also the app info option. This will let you access to the app info page of this particular app, where you need to simply select battery usage option. And here you need to select all. You need to turn on the button for allow auto launch, which is under privacy permission if you want to enable it. If you wish to disable it, you need to simply toggle off the button and it will disable app auto starting on Android. So this step will work for every Android devices like OnePlus, Oppo, Realme phones and many more. Come back and suppose if you wish to enable or disable app auto starting on Android for multiple applications, then go ahead and open settings on your device. On the section, select apps and then open auto launch option. On the section, you can see multiple applications. To enable, you need to toggle on the bottom of the application. To disable it, simply toggle off the button. So in this way, you can easily enable or disable app auto starting on Android using these two methods in every Android phones. So that's it for today. I hope this video worked for you. If it is helpful, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.